Hello guys, welcome back to the series of Agentic AI Cycle for software automation testing, and this is the part 6. In this video, we are going to add our main agent of our cycle, that is the automation engineer agent, into our workflow. So, why do we need actually this agent? When we are generating the test cases, we usually have to develop automation test scripts manually, which takes a lot of time and effort. But here, where our AI powered automation engineer agent comes in and it automatically develops complete test scripts within just a few seconds based on the generated test cases with the help of test case designer agent. Now, the DOM scanner agent plays a key role here because it provides all the element paths, also known as locators, they are required to build accurate test scripts, as we saw in the last video. The fetch element is stripped from the DOM scanner agent becomes extremely helpful for the automation engineer agent to generate precise and executable test scripts. Let's quickly take a look at the features of our automation engineer agent. So it converts the test case into automation test scripts instantly. Also, it uses DOM data and the locators for maximum accuracy. It also supports multiple frameworks and programming languages for the script generation, and the most important, that is the it helps to achieve end-to-end autonomous testing with the minimum human effort. Now let's move ahead and see the live demonstration of the automation engineer agent in action. So this is our CrewAI environment. In the last part, we will execute our DOM scanner agent and generate the accurate test cases. Now in this part, we are going to execute our automation engineer agent. So let's go to the automation agent. So here I developed one automation agent. That role is the automation engineer agent, and the aim of that agent is to convert the test cases into Playwright test scripts written in the TypeScript language. Also, it uses the Playwright test framework best practices, including fixtures and expected assertions and the proper project structure. Also, I assign one backstory is like an automation specialist with expertise in modern web testing frameworks. It experienced in building the scalable Playwright test automation in the TypeScript and focusing on maintainability and reliability. Along with that, I assign my model name, LLM name, which is the Gemini 2.5 Flash, and its API key. Now, the task of this agent is like convert the provided test cases into Playwright test scripts written in the TypeScript. Also, do not include unnecessary setup files because we keep it simple, the automation test script. That's why I am not including the setup files. Then focus on only test classes and spec files. Also, use the structured locators from the DOM scan agent, which generated by the DOM scanner, to use here to generate the accurate test scripts, and follow the Playwright test framework conventions with the clear description and blocks, proper use of fixtures, expected assertions, etc. Then ensure the scripts are placed inside a test folder as per the Playwright project structure. Then I assign my agent, that is automation agent, to the task. So that agent perform this task also, and the expected output is like to generate the Playwright test script in the TypeScript format, that is the spec.ts file. Then using the best practices such as fixtures, assertions, and clear structure inside the test folder. Now we are going to execute it. Firstly, we call the agent in our main execution file. After the test case agent, I'm going to add the automation agent, and automation task also. Now going to import those now going to import these agents and the task. Agents dot automation agent, and here call the task name, automation task. So we are successfully called our automation agent and its task. Now execute it. Opening the terminal. So firstly, we need to activate our environment, that is the CrewAI environment. So now the CrewAI environment is activated. Now going to execute our demo file. So firstly, as per the workflow, firstly our requirement analyzer agent comes and generate the testable requirements. Then DOM scanner agent comes and pastes all of the DOM structure and the elements as well as the URLs. So now execution is started. Firstly, the requirement analyzer agent comes. It analyzes the user story. Based on that, it will be generated the testable requirement. Now the requirement analyzer agent has successfully generated the testable requirements. Going to the DOM scanner agent. So it is successfully activated and paste the web elements on the web page in the JSON format. Now the test case design agent comes and it can generate the test cases based on the user story and the DOM structure. We are going to delete this file. That is the previous execution file. Now the test case is successfully stored in the test case folder. So this is our test case scenario. So this is our test case scenarios. Now coming to the automation engineer agent. Now automation engineer activated and can generate the test scripts in the Playwright test framework with TypeScript. You see here, this is the response of the agent. These are the test scripts. So the queue execution is completed, and as per this time, we got the folder structure. Based on that, we got the test scripts by using the best practices and the assertions also. So let's see the assertion where it used. See, wait for the URL and all of the things. So see here, there are the assertions used to validate the results. So as per this type, the automation engineer agent generated the test scripts based on the generated test cases within short period of time. Now we'll see in the next video, we are going to store the generated test script in the test folder. Till then, if you have any questions, then write down in the comment box. And please like, subscribe and share my channel. So stay tuned. Bye.